All right, so it is Friday. We've got the day off. We had to go get our marriage license today. So I'm not sure when you'll be seeing this footage, but we're getting a little bit ahead here on this footage, which is kind of nice. And there's not many Friday yard sales going on, but there is one that we're pulling up to right now. So let's go see if we can find anything good. You got that money?
You want to trade?
Trade what? For like a 20?
Yeah.
Sure. Okay.
Here's a good bargain.
Look at this glass thing.
What is a table? Oh, no, it's not a table.
$100. Local artist. Wow.
You know how much I like for fertilizer.
Dolls. What you
Like
got?
a videotape, but it's all sealed.
What's in that box there? Are they all cassette tapes? Oh, let me see that for a second.
Sealed.
Are these blank cassettes?
I think it's the same thing I just showed you.
Yeah. Must be. How's it going?
Good. How you guys doing?
Great.
Greatest hit.
It's a beautiful day.
It is a nice day, huh? Beautiful weekend, I think, is coming up.
Yeah.
Hopefully.
About time.
Hopefully.
It is. We deserve it for sure.
Are you having the sale all weekend? Or is it
Tomorrow.
today and tomorrow?
Yes.
Nice. What's in there? Just cassette tapes? Yeah, that's cool. Little gavels here. It's interesting.
I remember being in the car and they had those little.
The cassette tape things? Yeah, I remember that too.
Look at these.
It's hot. Little
Ultra.
gavels. I wonder what those are for. Kind of interesting, huh?
For me to be in charge.
Order in the court. What's in here? Backgammon.
Yeah.
What's this here?
An old floor. What's that?
I don't know what that is. Panasonic Auto Telephone Answering System. What do we got here? Next. Picture.
Stop.
Shake weight. Panasonic. Look at that old stereo system.
Yeah, right, look at this.
Look at this thing.
Could make two become one. Oh, how about it?
Big and bulky though. I don't know if I want to do that right now. Oh, I got some vintage hats over there. You need any baskets?
Yeah. I'm told that I do not.
Some old hats. Bubble Gum Shrimp Company. That one's kind of cool. I'm gonna grab that one. You need a shovel? Bar Harbor.
This is what you need, babe. A back brace.
I know.
Chairs?
I know, right?
No, they're like an awning. Oh, awning?
Copper fit back brace. Oops. You like that chair? No more chairs.
Like that.
Yeah. Do you know if this cassette deck right here works?
Does not work.
It does not work.
That's why it's placed the way that it is.
Okay. Does it just not turn on, or?
It power's on, it just doesn't turn. And unless you're smarter than I am, I couldn't figure it out.
Oh, the tape deck doesn't turn, you mean? Okay. It's probably a belt or something.
You looking for one of them?
Yeah.
Yeah, a whole pinwheel set, stereo,
Do you?
CD player, the whole kit and caboodle. It is changed out. I got the speaker and an MP3 player in it.
Yeah, oh, that's cool. Huh.
If you live around here, drop it off later.
That is heavy. Wow. Yeah. Oh, a dolly? You wanted to... Oh, jeez. Ah. What else we got here? Oh, what's in here? You ready? All right.
You know how to fix it?
Yeah. Probably just
Gonna
needs
try.
a new belt or something.
You guys all set?
Yep. So I picked that up, and then I've got this thing for $1, and then these two things. Would you take 6 for everything?
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
Just curious, how much were you asking for your dolly?
$10.
That's all right. I'll just
Are
use
you
ours.
gonna remember?
All right. Have a great day. Yeah, so that sale was nothing special. If I missed something, let me know. But I picked up that cassette deck there. There's one sold comp on eBay for $112. It's super heavy, so it'll cost a lot to ship. I asked the guy if it works. He said it does not. He had it priced at $5. So I figured if a working one sold for 112, maybe I could sell it for parts for half. I don't know. I asked him what the issue was with it. You probably saw in the video. It does power on, he said, but it doesn't work. So I don't know. Maybe I'll play with it, see if I can get it working. But for next to nothing, I figured I'd just pick it up just to risk it. I got an old Panasonic, what are those called? Like an answering machine? I don't know if that's worth anything or not. And then I got an old vintage hat. You saw me pick up that hat. I don't know if that's worth much or not. And then, I don't know, probably could get at least 10 bucks for that hat, I would assume. And then what was the other thing? Oh, I got an old camera, an old film camera. Don't know if that's worth much or not either. But it wasn't bad.
I got some sun rays.
You got some sun rays?
Yeah.
Pam was looking at some chairs again. I was like, no more chairs. We've bought enough chairs. But decent sale. It wasn't anything special, but just a lot of old stuff that he probably had in his garage, you know. But
or maybe he had a bunch of clothes that seemed like they were not his. So maybe somebody passed away in the family or something, and he was trying to
maybe
get rid of some stuff.
Oh well, not a big deal. All right, so you know what? It's our day off, right? So we decided.
You just made me go to work 2 seconds ago.
We decided we're gonna do something fun. We're gonna do something a little different. We haven't done a lot of fun stuff lately. It's all been work. So we are here at a place called Hilltop Fun Center, and they have batting cages, laser tag. They have mini golf. So we're gonna go hit the batting cages. We've been wanting to do it again. We hit the batting cages. We used to hit them all the time. So we're gonna do it again right now. Have some fun, right?
Go.
Okay. Want to play arcade games? No? You want to do batting cages?
I want to do batting cages.
Okay. We'll do that. Alright, we got our tokens. Here you go.
Yeah.
They got go-karts here too. You can go go-karting. Need a helmet. There we go.
They look pretty delicious.
Yeah, they're pretty nice. Look at all these bats. Which bat do I want? I want a 33. Here's a 33.
I want
I'll use this one.
42.
A 42. No, use like a 29 or a 28. Use this one. This one's probably a 28. Alright, let's get it. Which one do you want to go in?
I don't know, the one I can hit out.
60-mile-an-hour baseball. You want to try the 55? Try the 55. Late. There you go. Oh, nice. There you go. Whoa. Is that too fast?
Yeah.
No? Okay. Yeah, what do you mean?
Well, you stand on that side and I stand on that side, and you're a righty and I'm a lefty.
So no, you're you're standing on the wrong side.
Oh. So glad.
Alright, we got tired batting practice, so.
No, you got tired.
So now it's time to play arcade games, right? She wants to play air hockey. Are you? kidding me? All right, I gotta stop filming. You beat me. What is this? What is this, shooting zombies?
I don't want to shoot the dinosaurs because they're animals.
Crossbow. Bam!
Fence is down. We gotta go.
Obviously, Jason.
For the head.
That way.
Dead. Oh, reload. So that was fun.
Yeah.
Yeah, you
I
like
won
that?
A lot.
You did. You beat me at like everything. Well, except for the last thing. We didn't film it, but we played a Connect 4 basketball.
Yeah.
I beat you. I beat you with that.
Yeah, but I was way better at it.
Yeah.
And then you won Willy Wonka cards. I wonder if
Oh,
eBay
yeah.
buys those.
These are 40 tickets each. But we didn't cash them in. It's all right.
One day,
If we cashed them in, we would have gotten like an eraser. So
one day
no
when
big
we have a
deal.
kid, we'll have so many Willy Wonka cards.
Here you go. You can hold on to them.
Okay. Oh, I just crushed a water bottle with my butt. Guys,
What time is it now? Lunch? Lunchtime?
lunchtime, then we gotta do death pile.
Death pile. Oh, great. We're also gonna set up for. We're doing balloon bucks tonight. So we gotta set up for that. We gotta get all ready for that show. That'll be fun. All right, we just ate some lunch at Margarita's, and we are pretty content now, right?
Yeah, it's nap time.
Snap time.
Not really. We are going to a little party that is for my dad.
Yep.
So we gotta go do that.
So Pam's dad has ALS, and once a month, Pam's mom puts on like a little get together for him at his local like bar that he used to always go to, like after work.
On Friday nights.
On Friday
all the
nights.
guys at the shipyard used to
Right.
go to this pool and bar place, and so once a month to get him out because he's not as socially active as he once was. Everybody makes a point to go out there the first Friday of the month.
Yep. So it's a good thing for him. So we're gonna head out to that now.
Yeah, since
that-
we don't have work today, we can actually go.
Right. It's nice. So yeah, that's pretty much gonna wrap up this video. Sorry there wasn't a whole lot of reselling content to it, but honestly, we just needed a little bit of a day off, and
We still did a little.
we did. Yeah, we went to that yard sale, picked up a few things, but
And then
yeah.
that guy wanted you to pick up some more.
I know.
Good times.
But anyway, yeah, thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed, and we'll see you soon.
Yeah, yeah. I
Yeah.
was gonna say we're gonna see it or not, but yeah.
Yeah, I don't know when they'll be seeing this video.
I don't know
but-
when you're gonna see this though.
All right, see you later, everybody.
Bye.
Bye.
Keep dreaming, you crazy dreamer.